So we're here in Cooper's Rocks State Forest in West Virginia, and we're gonna do this Henry Clay Furnace Trail. Is that what it's called?
Yep.
I just read it, but I can't remember. So we didn't plan on doing this trail, but we just came across it, and it's only a mile out and back, so I figured, well, why not check it out? So that's what we're gonna do right now. 0.8 miles, it's moderate. We are here. Let's go. It's raining again. It rained on our last hike, and now it's raining. Not terrible, and I don't assume that it should last too long, but we're definitely getting wet. And update on this trail, it's very rocky. It's not terrible, but there are a ton of rocks that you have to watch for so that you don't break your ankle. And now it's getting very wet as well. We have a water situation up ahead. So this water just decides to hang out on the trail. No big deal. The only way to do it is through it. Ah! Lots of big rocks all around. Not so much over here, but that's where we came from. We made it! And I'm talking to the camera, and there's a lot of people here, so I feel uncomfortable videoing, but we made it. It's pretty cool, actually.
The marks from where they slide and shit for the rocks.
Pretty cool stuff we have right here. It's like huge. So yeah, here is the furnace. It's really cool. It's pretty big. And there's a bunch of people here, but it's right beside this cute little bridge and some water. It's really a pretty nice area just to come out and hang out like those people are doing. It's totally, you could spend a whole afternoon here. It's really cool. Recommend, especially for such a short hike. What? Ah, I have something in my teeth. Oh no. Okay, one more look. And now we make our way back up. So it's just an easy downgrade down to this furnace, pretty much. It's not strenuous at all. I don't think we're really gonna have any issues walking back up. There's a bunch of little kids and dogs down here, so it's pretty easy. There are some rocks that you have to be careful with, but pretty cool. This isn't something I would specifically drive here to do, unless I was hanging out all day. But if you're already in the area and you're hiking here, and it doesn't take any time at all, I say it's worth it. Here's a view from the top on the trail on the way back up. That way.
Uh-oh.
It's raining harder. Thankfully, we just got back to the truck, but yeah, it's raining pretty good. So I thought that was really cool. I don't really know a lot about history, but that was really interesting. It's an easy walk, like I said before, and I would totally recommend doing it. It took us, how long did it take us? What time is it? Really? It took us about 30 minutes, actually. We started at 12.
Oh.
Took us about a half hour. We got down there, we checked out things. We petted the cute golden retriever that was down there with its family. And yeah, it took about a half hour. So I totally recommend doing it if you're in the area. I wouldn't just drive here specifically to see it unless you're really into like history and that type of thing. So I think that concludes this video. Thank you for watching. Do you have any parting words?
No. Nope.
Bye.